Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. I think you are working very hard to crack NATA. Today we'll be working with another interesting question that is a request from one of my subscriber. In this question, a difficult part is drawing the animal because we have practiced object perspective drawing, how to draw buildings, how to draw rooms, how to draw furnitures. But here we are trying to draw an animal and human beings. So that is the difficult part here. I think to the beginners it is very difficult to draw animals and human. I think I'll be posting very soon how to draw simple animals and humans. To answer this question, we need to decide the focal line. In the question, it was given you are a 6-year-old girl or a boy. Now, the focal line you have to draw a little lower than the middle of the page. Usually, we draw focal line in the middle of the paper. Here we reduce the height of the focal line. We'll be drawing with 1 point perspective. Decided the vanishing point, taken guidelines. To draw the animal, to draw the elephant, we need to use the simple shape as usual. Circle for the head and another big circle or oval to draw the body of the animal. So this is the construction of an elephant. Try make it very simple. You are not expected to draw animal anatomy as it is. Here you have to communicate the biggest object, that means the biggest animal, because he wanted to check the focal line of yours when you are 6 years and the height of the animal. Also, he wanted to check what is the normal adult height here. Now I'm trying to draw the fence around the elephant. Use the guideline to draw the fence. Now here to show the spectators, I'm trying to drawing two adult here, because you need to show the difference between your focal line and uh, adult focal line also. When you're drawing human form also, make it very simple. Don't think very complicated. You try to draw very simple. Now nearby adding another human form. So now the rough outline of human have been completed. On your left side, to show on your on your right side, to show the distance, you had to draw few human standing over there on the mountain and seeing the elephant. These small figures will help you to show the elephant bigger. Also, it gives distance to the picture. On your left side, added a small portion, kind of a mountain, to see the elephant from there. Now, here I'm trying to draw uh, a 6 to 8 year old girl and a small 5 years or 4 years old boy here. This is to show you show the focal line of yours. That means you are a 6-year-old boy or a girl. So that according to your eye level, we need to show few figures to make the drawing very strong according to the perspective and your focal line. Okay, now here almost we have completed the rough outline drawing very lightly, added the atmosphere also, clouds, and then you could add a living creature. Birds are flying there. So make it lively. Now I am trying to outline the drawing, rough drawing, to communicate better. Continuously, you can fare the drawing with dark outline. As I said already, I'm using Faber-Castell color pencil here to increase the clarity of the drawing through the video. In your examination, NATA examination, you have to use graphite pencil, whichever comfort to you. Try adding the detail whatever you want when you fare the drawing. Adding faraway figures, in that also you have to give some details to show the reality. Here we have almost completed fair outline drawing with details. After completing the outline drawing, start shading immediately, and the light direction coming from your right side. So left side of the object you need to shade it. That was the direction of the light already decided when I'm fair the drawing. So when you making light and shade, think as a spherical object. You could use a curved line to shade or render the object, animal. Within one stroke, within one layer, I'm trying to showing the differentiation between the pressure of the pencil to show dark and light. light portion, lighting area left out of paper white, darker portion given little more pressure to the pencil to show the darkness. Try using the same direction strokes everywhere. I'm using hatching technique here. If you don't know what is hatching technique, and you can check my other video already uploaded, how to shade the object, basics object. Added cast shadow also on the ground. Complete the picture shading continuously to all over the picture. Here almost we have completed the question, answered the question whichever given to us. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share and comment. We will meet again with another tutorial. Thank you very much.